In this video, we're gonna show you how to get more subscribers on YouTube fast for free. Let's go.
Let's go.
The hat came off too.
Let's see right here. Who's my bros and I just subscribed.
Yeah, alright, sweet. I appreciate it.
One love for Aaron.
Appreciate it, bro. Can you subscribe?
Boom.
Appreciate it, bro. Cameron's about to scan the third one. Trying to get as many subscribers as I can. Let's see if it takes you there. Yeah.
Okay, cool, yeah. It's crazy. I've seen cliff jumping. Okay.
Yeah. Appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, no problem.
I'm here with Tyler. He's the fourth one.
So,
Thanks. I appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. I just got about maybe 8 more scans. A lot of people didn't want to be on video, so okay. Kevin's number 11. It worked. All right. Would you mind subscribing?
click that button right there, guys.
Appreciate
Click
it.
the button.
All right. You mind scanning it?
Yeah, I got you.
Appreciate it, Noah.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate it.
I got you.
What was the best part of your day?
Coming out here to play volleyball.
Heck yeah.
24 hours up and still grinding.
But yeah, this is, what do you guys think? How are you guys feeling about this, Azariah and Josiah?
Josiah, how do you feel?
Project, we're getting her to 100 subscribers to Cecilia. She's starting her YouTube channel. Good, man.
Of course you already know these people. You're blocking it.
Oh, yeah. Here, yeah. Brady, dude, yeah, good to see you, man. Awesome, man. Appreciate it.
Thanks, guys.
Appreciate it, man. If you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, she's trying to get to 100 subscribers. I appreciate it.
All right, Aaron, what are you gonna go do?
I'm gonna get Cecilia to 100 subscribers by 6 o'clock, so that's the plan.
All right, it's
Thank you.
currently 1:52 and we're at 29.
We got about maybe 10 more scans in the last hour or so. Yeah, we went to Fat Cats behind us, so yeah, it was pretty fun. Most people didn't want to be on video, so I wasn't able to get them on video, but yeah, hopefully get some more at volleyball tonight. So we have 10 minutes left. Would you guys be down to subscribe to this YouTube channel? Would you guys be down to subscribe to this YouTube channel? I'm trying to get my friend to 100 subscribers. Okay, appreciate it.